Hello, beautiful creatures. Welcome to my channel. I am Aradia, the Witch of Dark Light, and I hope you all are doing well. Yes, this is another video. I am trying something out where I can show up as much as I can in creating some videos and sharing with you some of the things that are going on in my life, some of the things that I'm thinking about. Will this be every week that I post videos as much? Probably not. But this is not for you. This is more for me. And essentially me wanting to share it with you. However, I am wanting and feeling the need to create. And the only way that you can work through this energy of finding out what it is that you want to do and what you want to create, or just create to build on those energies to help you be more creative, essentially, in your life. Just doing things with, there's no pattern, I'm not writing out a list of what it is that I want to share with you. I just simply each day I think about, oh, let me go and share this with you guys. It will be all things witchy, all things esoteric, all things within the occult. But there's so much that I want to share, and I'm not going to pigeonhole myself, right? With one specific thing of what I share to you guys. So that's just a long tangent to say I'm trying to show up show up each day or more often here in the world of YouTube. So what I want to share with you, I was going through some of my older videos, and I recently shared a video with my Patreons about using blood in my magic or my rituals, or just in my practice. So I went through my older videos, and I came across a video that I had that I uploaded maybe about 2 years ago. When you look back at your older videos, you kind of cringe, but there's a part of it when I create videos. Sometimes I want to just create the theatrics. I just want to create the videos with the music, the videos to get your sparks going, ignite magic. At least this is what's happening in my head when I'm creating it, which is why I love doing it. So when I looked at this video, it was using blood in your rituals. A part of the video, which is what I used to always do and still occasionally do, is I talk about the topic and then I share a little magic in my theatric form. So when I came to that part of the video, I was like, it just, I wanted to share it again with you, since this is a topic that was discussed in with my Patreons. So it's just a little bit of me doing a ritual, working with Lucifer, and kind of igniting the candle that I was using for Lucifer with my blood and his sigil. So as an overall, before I share that with you, what I typically do is I don't do it as often. As I said, that video was a couple of years ago, but I don't do it as often now. But it's not something that I'm not saying I'm not ever going to do again. But this is the way that when and if I use blood in my magic, this is how I would do it. I don't do what they do on TV and take a dagger and slice the palm of my hand. What I do is use a lancet which is what diabetics use. So I purchased a box, and it's about 100 in a box, and I purchased this on Amazon. And so I'll put that link in there for you. And again, I have to check because I purchased, it's 100, so I'm not going to go through 100 no time, anytime soon. So it was a while ago that I purchased it. But what I typically do is I prick my finger after cleaning it and after, massaging it to get the blood flowing. I prick my finger with the lancet. And now it's easy for me to do. I know for a lot of people that's like, oh my gosh, when you go to the doctor and you get a prick, sometimes that prick builds up more fear than if you just go get a shot. But it's very easy. The lancet is created so that that prick can't go any deeper than it should. But you want to just massage that finger that you're going to prick after you've cleaned it. Clean, all your whole 2 hands. You cleanse that, and especially the spot that you're going to prick. You massage your finger, then you prick it with the lancet, and you blood whatever it is that you're going to use or work with. And I'm going to share with you briefly in my cinematic portion of the video that I wanted to share with you. Again, it's going to just share a little bit of me blooding the candle and the sigil when working with Lucifer. That is it for today. Until the next video, I love you all, and into the shadows.